Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you've ever logged into Google Analytics and immediately felt a headache coming on, you are absolutely not alone. Today, we're tackling that overwhelming, disorganized, messy room of data, and we're going to show you how to instantly organize it. We're using AI to figure out exactly what's actually working in your marketing strategy, and honestly, what really isn't. So if you're tired of feeling totally lost in a sea of metrics, stick around, because you're in the right place.
We've all been there, right? You sit down at your desk, you open up analytics, and bam, just a wall of numbers. Rows, columns, line graphs zigzagging in every possible direction. It's an insane volume of data that, rather than empowering you, just kind of leaves you paralyzed. You literally have all the information in the world right at your fingertips, but absolutely no idea what your next move should be. And this right here is the data chaos most of us live in. You're staring at total traffic volume, looking at raw clicks, clicking through individual pages, checking your sources. You're swimming in data. Actually, scratch that. You're drowning in it. Because without a clear insight jumping out at you, you're stuck trying to answer the absolute most crucial question in marketing. What is actually working? Having data is easy. Getting actionable insight out of it, well, that's a whole different beast. Okay, let's jump into Section 1. Meet your AI analyst. From guessing to insights. Because honestly, when you're overwhelmed by numbers, you inevitably just end up guessing. We start throwing marketing campaigns at the wall just to see what sticks, mostly because the real path forward is buried under way too many variables. But when you hand that heavy lifting over to AI, it's a massive game changer. It instantly processes all those data points to spot hidden patterns that our human eyes just simply miss. You go from guessing to making rock-solid, data-driven decisions based on your actual performance. Moving right along to Section 2, gathering your key data. The 5-step workflow. Let's slow down for a second because you can literally replicate this workflow the minute this explainer is over. Step 1, pull up your traffic acquisition report in Google Analytics. That report is an absolute goldmine. Step 2, look at the breakdown of those traffic sources. Are your people coming from organic search, social media, direct links, or your paid ads? And then Step 3, we want to look at the extremes. Isolate your absolute best, highest traffic pages and compare them directly against the pages with completely dead engagement. Now for Step 4, we're just gathering our ingredients so the AI can read them. Just copy your top sources, the URLs of your strongest and weakest pages, the average engagement times, and, this is crucial, your conversion data if you've got it tracking properly. Just paste all of that together in one single document. You're basically setting the table so the AI can get a perfect snapshot of your whole marketing landscape. Which brings us to Section 3, Prompting AI for Insights, the magic instruction. This prompt for Step 5 is so simple, but it is incredibly powerful. Open up ChatGPT and type in this exact instruction. Analyze this data and tell me, what is working, what is underperforming, and what should I improve? That is it. Right below that, just paste in all those metrics you gathered in Step 4. You don't need to be a prompt engineer here. You just hand over the data and ask for the exact analysis you need. The second you hit enter, it's like magic. The AI instantly organizes that messy room. It gives you a clear, structured breakdown telling you exactly which channels are genuinely driving traffic. It points a big red arrow at the pages that are falling flat and need a pivot. And the best part? It doesn't just give you a bunch of theory. It suggests specific, real-world actions you need to take right now to fix the leaks in your funnel. And finally, Section 4, turning insights into action, clarity from chaos. Suddenly, the fog just totally lifts. You've gone from being completely paralyzed by analytics to knowing exactly what you need to fix. By letting AI translate all those raw metrics into a simple story, you can make way faster decisions and seriously bump up your marketing ROI. The days of staring blankly at spreadsheets are over, replaced by a system where you know exactly where to put your time and your budget. You've got the 5-step workflow now, and you've got the exact prompt to cut right through the noise. So let me leave you with this. What massive, profit-driving insight is just sitting buried in your Google Analytics account right now, totally ignored, waiting for an AI to uncover it? Go try this out today. Thanks so much for tuning into this explainer, and definitely subscribe for more data-driven strategies.